Hello there, little ones. Gather around for a wonderful story about Jesus and his amazing miracles.
Miracles? I don't know if I believe in those.
Oh, but you're in for a treat. Let's watch as Jesus feeds 5,000 people with just a little food.
Wow! Everyone's eating and there's still food left over.
That's right. Jesus can do incredible things. Now, let's see what happens when Jesus and his friends are on a boat in a big storm.
They look scared. What will Jesus do?
Jesus stands up and says, "Peace, be still." And the storm stops.
He stopped the storm? That's amazing.
But wait, there's more. Jesus can even bring people back to life. Watch as Jesus goes to see a little girl who has died.
She's alive. Jesus really can do anything.
That's right. Jesus' miracles show us God's love and power.
I want to learn more about Jesus and his miracles.
And that's wonderful. Remember, Jesus' love and power are always there for you too.